आई डोंट इवन नो फ्रॉम वेयर डू आई स्टार्ट। मुझे ऐसा लग रहा है ना कि इट इज़ वन ऑफ दोज़ डेज़ वेयर I think I planned this day in such a better way yesterday that I'm gonna get up and I'm just gonna shoot, I'm gonna make videos. But वो होता है ना, you wake up and you don't set the tone for the day, वैसा कुछ हो गया है। And I think social media ने just दिमाग की लगा के रखी हुई है। I mean, what do I even say? I am just feeling as if somebody is just caged me. I don't even know what is the point of making this video because it's just pointless. Okay, it is just pointless. My point is that I am behaving super weird. I am like, what do I do? मैंने पूरा, there's one of those days जिधर आप सब plan करके रखते हो, you want to do this, you're going to be super productive and stuff, और कुछ भी नहीं हो पाता. It's that kind of a day and I'm so damn pissed because I had so much to do in my to do list but eventually नहीं हो पाया. क्यों? क्योंकि मैंने मॉर्निंग में उठ के सोशल मीडिया देख लिया एंड सोशल मीडिया ने मेरे दिमाग का, आई डोंट नो व्हाट टू से. सो बेसिकली I don't even know from where do I start. It's just like I just woke up to this again. If you've not seen my previous video, you can go where I talk about how I felt when that crash happened and everything, and that news is all over. And then there's another news about that fish that has come, and it's a sign of natural calamity and tsunami and blah blah blah. And I don't know. I'm even ranting, so I thought I'll just make this pointless video so that you also know that it's okay to feel the way I am doing. There are going to be days where you would have thought the day is going to be super productive and super great and amazing, but you might end up doing nothing, right? I have just woken up and I'm like, I saw the phone, I saw the news, I knew there are going to be distractions, I knew, and then every day when I get up, I don't look at my phone and I don't know what got inside me today that I had to go inside Instagram. And I'm like, why did I do that? But I'm just trying to process what do I do now because I have to make a video. But if I don't feel like making a video, I don't because वो दिख जाता है मेरे शक्ल पे and I don't feel it, then I don't do it. So I thought, like I said, I'm so sorry, but I'm repeating it again. Let's make like a pointless video to share my thing, like a general stuff, what I do in a day and what I feel and how do I'm processing the entire day. So I woke up, I saw Instagram, and then I was like, okay, and then I didn't feel like making breakfast, so I did not do it. And 11:30, I thought, oh shit, I have to have breakfast. तो मैंने जाके एक रागी पुडिंग बना के खा लिया, and then I was like, you know what, I have to divert my mind because all the things that was coming in front of me was the crash, the tsunami, that fish, and everything was. I was just thinking about dying. And I was like, you know what? I have to just shift my mind. So I went all out in cooking. I made like rice, sambar, I made my own achar, I made omelette, and I made all of those stuff so that I get my mind थोड़ा सा divert करने के लिए. I made that and I was all good till then. But then again, every time you open social media, it just have to screw your mind because it's all there. Like कोई भी social media news channel ने छोड़ा ही नहीं है. Like one thing in two or three different ways or many different ways is being said by the entire nation. And also, I don't know what's wrong with the influencers or creators out there that they are also taking this topic and just this topic is basically viral right now. So मुझे समझ नहीं आ रहा है कि कॉमन गर्ल, लाइक कॉमन मैन और कॉमन पीपल क्या करेंगे व्हेन ऑल ऑफ दीस थिंग्स आर हैपनिंग. So I'm like, oh God, what do I do? And with this, let's see if I've got something. I actually, by the way, ordered stuff from Zepto and I got a box with it, like a freebie. So probably I'll show you that. And like I said, this video is so damn random. So if you've stayed till now, which mean you are like my true fan. So yeah, thank you so much. But I'm just gonna go and get the box and let's see what's inside that. Wow. So I bought this box. So I just ordered a bunch of things from Zepto and I think Zepto is turning 4 and इसके लिए वो लोग ने ये box भेजा है. But see, just look at this. They have like literally packed था, but they have like removed or just पैकेज ही खोल दिया भाई. ओपन पैकेज आया है मुझे. क्या ही बोलूँ मैं अभी. मैं वीडियो बोल ही नहीं सकता हूँ क्योंकि फ्री है ना. So let's see what's inside this. There's a bunch of stuff. Can you see? It's like bunch of stuff. I hope this makes me a little maybe feel better. Oh, oh, they knew probably that I like skincare. And you see, they've sent me like this Nivea. This is like cream, wala thing that they have sent from Nivea. Then there's this pamphlet. Oh, wow. This is like a pamphlet, and there's this one bandage that is there inside this. So that's that. They've also sent like the Nivea Menka Cool. I think it's a deodorant. Yeah, I think so. Yeah, it's like a roll on. It smells nice though. My God, they've sent like quite few stuff, and all of these are like free, okay? I just ordered my stuff and then this came like complimentary because they're turning 4. And my God, they've sent like Mama Earth ka onion shampoo, hair fall control, like new and improved. This is something that's sent. My God, I mean, they've been very thoughtful in gifting also, and like samples भेजे, but Zidira fab, okay? Oh, another one. They sent like a spice mix, the pizza oregano spice mix dija hai, which is again cool. Then this is Chinese sauce all in one. I don't know ये कौन सा sauce है, but it's just written all in one Chinese sauce. And there's some more stuff. My God, they've sent tomato ketchup as well. I am hearing about this brand for the first time, which is Hillers. I am not sure ki kya hai. But yeah, oh wow, I like the way they've gifted this. I mean, look at this. And when you open, there's like a toothpaste inside. I mean, cool stuff. I really like this. This by Sensodyne. I am impressed that they have put like so much of thought in gifting. Okay, there's one more stuff. This is Nutri Crunch Premium Digestive Biscuit. This is something it looks like. इसमें cranberry hai, cashew hai, and basically it's oats cookies. Yeah, and that's about it. It's all empty now. The whole point is, I don't know why even I'm saying point, but the whole thing is that I thought like if I come here and I just speak, it would make me feel better. I don't even know if I'm going to post this pointless vlog. I'm just saying it in front of the camera. I just wanted to just press the record button and just speak so that, I feel a little better. I feel light. It's always good to talk, and I don't know if there's someone out there who exactly feels the way I do. Uh, it's just that I just had my lunch and then I was just sitting, and today is like Thursday, so I was like, I'll just watch the Criminal Justice, which is in Hotstar. That's absolutely a very good series that I watched. So I watched that. Uske baad, what did I do? I just asked my husband to make like filter coffee for me. He made that for me. I thought filter coffee piyenge to एक kick आएगा, तो I will feel like making a video. But no, नहीं आया मुझे. Okay, then I also had like a healthy chip so that I feel better. But तभी भी मुझे नहीं आया. So I was like, I'll open this box, but नहीं आया. But then I thought, let me just turn on my camera and just blabber, just make like a pointless and a baseless video, and probably I'll feel a little better. The whole the whole thing right here is that there are going to be times when you are going to feel the way I am doing now. And the thing is that I am due for my periods today as per the Flow app, but मुझे नहीं आया, and I really think it's all because of the stress that I've been taking from past 1 week now. इतना danger anxiety, at- I can't even say attack. Like इतना anxious हो गया था मैं that I could feel the fear in my stomach. I was so anxious. I was like, what's going on in the world? And there was this war thing that was going on and all of those stuff going on. I was like, what's happening? And leave that. To top it, what I've done is, can you see my voice changing? It's because that I got like half a kilo jamun. ठीक है, क्योंकि बारिश के टाइम पे जामुन आता है तो मुझे बहुत ही पसंद है. So I went and I got half a kilo jamun, and you won't believe I've had all of that jamun in one go. I've just washed it. I've just put a lot of namak to it, like a salt, and I've just had this, and my gala got upset and my voice changed, and it's kind of khar here. So that's another thing that happened. So dimag pa lag gaya. I've got like a little headache, I've got gala, and then there is such, as soon as I open social media and I see the news, it's just that there is someone who's just, punching my gut, like my stomach. It's so damn, yeah, that fear, the fear. And whatever I'm thinking, I'm just thinking about death, and that tsunami thinking. And then I was so damn pissed. I was like, what? what else is left, right? So I'm so pissed. I don't even know what do I do right now. So I think I'm just gonna keep this aside. Also, I had ordered like bunch of stuff, so I'll just share it with you right now. Let's see. Let me just keep this one. Let me just keep this aside and get something that I bought recently. So just hold on for a second. कितना कूल होता लाइक कम आई विल कम बैक इन अ सेकंड बोल के आई कुड हैव कम बैक इन अ सेकंड वीडियो में तो एक सेकंड में आई कम बैक फ्यूज हो गया लाइक इट्स जस्ट गॉन एंड when I am saying that things are not working out, today is not the day. It's not the day. What do I do? I mean, अभी ये fuse भी चला गया and I'm in no mood right now to go and fix that. Okay. So I'm like, अभी आप मुझे ऐसे ही bear कर लो. I'm like, why is it happening to me? Why? I'm so damn pissed right now. आज ही मिला था. I think I really need to sit down and just be calmer. I'm just freaking out for some reason. I'm freaking out about. I'm so scared right now. I'm so scared of traveling. I'm so scared of going to the beach. I'm so scared of going anywhere. And the thing is that I'm so scared of living also like in my house. It's like I mean everything is so traumatizing to me right now. I don't know what to do. I honestly don't know what to do. But coming back, I actually was trying a lot of combo. I've also what is wrong with me. So I've been trying a lot of combos and I thought, let me just show it to you. I've been trying this liner with a pink. So like a dark wine color ka lip liner with this one, which is more of a pink. And I thought it's really cool. So let's show it to you. Probably this would make sense. थोड़ा तो कुछ productive या accurate कर ले ये video के लिए है ना. So I'm just gonna show it to you. This is like a bare lips right here. So I think I will need एक तो ना I have to put on my glasses because I can't see. I can see the screen that it's there but can't do anything. So I'm just gonna look at my phone. That's like a nice swipe. Can see the color. Okay, I'm just gonna do an upper thing and I'm just gonna apply like one swipe, okay? This is the outline. This is like the outline. And then I kind of like it. It's a nice combo, like wine color, and then you just put like nice pink to it. I'm just gonna put this one right here. Can you see the color? For some reason, I like not to like swipe my lipstick, but to just pat it. I think it sits pretty well. ये तो मुझे कुछ दिखाई नहीं दे रहा है बट मेरा कॉन्फिडेंस आई एम लुकिंग एट द स्क्रीन एंड डूइंग इट पर कोई दिखाई नहीं दे रहा है कि क्या हो रहा है या सी वी गोना किस माय हैंड लाइक टू हार्ड टू सी इफ दिस लाइक कम्स आउट आज का दिन इतना अच्छा है ना कि मुझे ऐसा लग रहा है ये भी निकल जाएगा आई एम सो डैम फ्रस्ट्रेटेड बट देन लेट्स सी कैन यू सी दैट बहुत ही लाइट बाहर आया है लाइक वेरी लिटिल ट्रांसफर बट आई रियली लाइक दिस कॉम्बो बाय द वे इफ यू वांट टू नो द नेम. The liner is from Mars and this is their 05 Wine Nights and this for 69 rupees, okay? And the lipstick that I have is from the brand The Balm and ye hai in the shade Brilliant and this one when I had ordered a bunch of things last year I got this as complimentary and this actually retails for about 1000 plus. I don't know if it was like 1200 or 1300 which they sent me like complimentary because I'd ordered a bunch of stuff from Nykaa. So I just thought that गिफ्ट में आया है तो कतई बकवास होगा, बट देन इट्स रियली गुड, बट इट हैज़ अ वेरी मिंटी स्मेल टू इट। या ऐसा आप वो मेंथोल खाते हो ना, तो कैसे एक ठंडा लगता है एंड देन यू हैव दैट मिंटी काइंड ऑफ अ फ्लेवर टू इट। सो वैसा टेस्ट, वैसे स्मेल आता है एक्चुअली। सो या, दिस इज़ हाउ इट लुक्स लाइक। एंड व्हाट एल्स डू आई हैव टू से? आई हैव नथिंग to say, but you know what? I feel so better. I mean, I really thought it was like my instinct that if I sit down and just roll the camera and I'm just going to speak, I'm going to feel a little better. And which I actually do, which means जब आपको बहुत ज़्यादा पैंशियस हो जाते हो या आप बहुत ज़्यादा बॉटल अप हो जाते हो या आपको ऐसा लगता है कि बहुत सारी चीज़ें आपके दिमाग में घूम रहे हैं, बिकॉज आई एम अ एब्सोल्यूट ओवर थिंकर एंड आई ओवर थिंक and my overthinking just goes to death. I don't know, for some reason it just goes there. So I have to make sure that I don't do that. But then वो होता ही नहीं है. So meditation really helps. But guess what? I did not do meditation today. Things when I do physical activity, it works. But I did not do anything today. I just woke up, and the biggest mistake I did was to open social media, which I'm not going to do from tomorrow. That's for sure. I'm just going to turn my phone and just going to keep it. Okay, yeah. So I was saying that whenever you feel super anxious, you feel like बहुत कुछ हो रहा है लाइफ में, just go to someone and talk to them. You speak, you just went out and you feel so better. I don't even know ki how many people are going to watch this, and I really do not care. But if you have come so long, then like I said that I really love you and I really wish so much for you, because I absolutely feel that you resonate and you are also in the same boat like I am. Like there are going to be times जब things work out ही नहीं कर रहा है, like you would have planned certain things but वो work out ही नहीं कर रहा है. You probably had plan A but plan B भी नहीं हुआ, C भी नहीं हुआ और कुछ भी नहीं हो गया, right? You would have said that I'm going to do this, but you woke up with headache or something and then it didn't turn out the way you did. So it's so important to plan, but then वो कभी नहीं होगा तो just let it go. You can't do anything. But my principle is so damn clear that if I don't feel like doing it, I don't do it. वो नहीं आता है मुझसे, मुझसे नहीं हो पाता. It has to come very very naturally and organically to me. If I have to create a video, I have to create a video. If I don't feel like, then वो मुझसे नहीं होगा. And as a reason, I thought let's make this video where I'm feeling like those one of those days where I'm feeling useless and I have been like 0% productive. And I just put it out there to tell people like it's fine, man. Yeah, if you're feeling this way, it's absolutely fine. It's extremely normal. It's just admit it that ऐसे हो सकता है आपके साथ, and don't be now think that I'm very productive and I'm very this and that. I'm okay. I'm fine. I feel better now after I've done my ranting right here. But yeah, it was such a random video and such a pointless and baseless video. But I also gave you like a message that, you know what, this is normal. It will happen. All you have to do is be a little forgiving to yourself. It's okay. जानबूझ के नहीं किया था. It just happened. It's a mistake learned that, you know what, never get up in the morning and look at the social media, because it's just gonna mess your mind. I really don't want to use any word right now. It's just gonna mess up. You're gonna feel frustrated. You're gonna overthink. You're just gonna think all negative and you're not gonna work, and then you're gonna be guilty. And this is everything that's been happening to me today. So, I think I'm done and I'm done. Sorry if I looked a little weird before because my camera got switched off because उसमें भी heat हो गया था and it just turned off. What else do I do? It's fine. I think I'm just going to wrap up for today and I'm not going to do anything. I'm just going to go chill. I think whatever time is left for today, let's just go and just sit back and relax. That's the best that I can do and give myself. So, yeah, that's about it. If you've stayed till the end, thank you so much. I mean, you guys are amazing and I love you so damn much. And I just pray that you have peace, you have all good things happening in your life. And yeah, I'll see you soon. Take care of yourselves. Love, love.